Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off notifications entirely for the Claude AI application on your mobile phone, like for example on your Android. So let us guide you through this. So guys, let's assume you've grown tired of these notifications popping up on your phone's display, for example as banner notifications, whenever there's a new message by Claude AI. So if you'd like to turn these off entirely on your Android, guys, simply follow our instructions. You will need to close the Claude AI application for a brief moment and access your phone settings. And here inside your phone settings, guys, head over to apps and notifications. Of course, the name of that menu may vary depending on your operating system and Android phone's version. So for me, it is apps and notifications. Tap into it, and from there navigate to Claude AI. Tap into it again, and here, guys, tap into notifications. As you can see, they're enabled for me, but if you'd like to turn them off, simply toggle them off here to the right, and that's it. From now on, Android will block this app's notifications appearing on this device. To quote this explanation here, you may re-enable them anytime by toggling them on here, and also select, for example, notifications for the research completion, voice mode, or simply turn them off entirely. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.